All right, today is day number 4. My girl's complaining about the smell. She's never smelled that before, but it smells directly, distinguishedly like pruno. Um, so yeah, we should find. I did put in 1.5 more cups of sugar, so that was a total of 4 cups of brown sugar. It'd been a while since I made it, but what we should find now on day 4 is nothing blowing out the top. No, and basically it starts to settle down, which it's done. You can see nothing's coming out. It's still cooking, which you can see by the little lines there, and I can still see bubbles coming up on the side of it. So it seems to be good. You can keep it bubbling, if you put more sugar in it. Like here's a dab I'm going to put in there. But once again, that'll make it too sweet, so you don't necessarily want to do that either. But this batch here is almost done. I think it'll be done on day number 5. And then what you can do is you can take some of this, it doesn't take hardly anything, and make your next kicker out of it because it's already cooking. Or you can consume it all. When you do consume it, you want to make sure that it's not bubbling anymore. I don't know if you can see those tiny bubbles going in there. Of course, that's probably because I just put the sugar in there. Yeah, see, it's doing it now, but that's just that little ball of sugar. But anyway, we'll come back on day number 5 of our pruno, and hopefully enjoy some. Bye.